Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write a paragraph of 10 sentences on the personality and qualities of an ideal captain. Let's get started. Captain should be disciplined. He should not be aggressive. He should trust his team and respect them. He should remain calm in any tense situation. He should develop good relationship with team members. He should lead by examples. He should discover his teammates' potential. He should not be afraid to take extra responsibilities. He should win the trust of his team. He should listen to his team before making decisions. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.